Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, and leave me your comments. I do love to read them all. And good morning. Y'all, President Trump will be sending out debit cards to 33 million people that's on Medicare in the amount of $200 each. These cards will be going out in the next couple weeks. And these cards are only to be used for helping you with your co-pays on medication. This is not a lot of money at all, but it's more than the Mooch Man or Crazy Nancy has helped us, ain't it? Right now, any help is good help. If you remember, just last week, President Trump signed an executive order to force the big pharma companies to lower the cost of their medications. Now this debit card that he's going to send out to everyone, that's just a double whammy. It's good help. A lot of people need this help. Now, I know people will say that he's just doing this to look better for the upcoming election. I say, who cares? People need help. And I don't see help coming from anyone else. Do you? The House of Representatives are going to be voting on their new stimulus package sometime in the next few days, and maybe as soon as Wednesday. A few Democrats are moving forward with the paperwork to overthrow their own leader, Nancy Pelosi, and hopefully remove her from office. Whether or not they are successful with this plan, her days as Speaker of the House are numbered. She will be voted out in November along with the Mooch Man. Stephen Mnuchin and Nancy Pelosi are working on a revived stimulus package, which will have a stimulus check in it. This only comes after mounting pressure from her own party. Isn't that bad when your own party turns against you? They said God don't like ugly. Nancy Pelosi is also dropping the idea of impeaching President Trump yet again. Didn't she learn anything the first time she tried to do this? Will her hate for the president ever end? The government funding bill that was voted on and passed in the House will be voted on in the Senate, and it should be passed without any trouble. And then President Trump will sign it. If you didn't see my video yesterday labeled Major Announcements, please go back and watch it. You could get an extra $600. Be sure and don't miss that video. Y'all, please watch my money video. It comes out at 9 a.m. this morning, and every morning at 9 a.m. I have these videos at 9 a.m. and then the stimulus videos like I'm doing now at 6 a.m. And then later on in the day, if one warrants, I will make another one. Y'all got an update on Amy. She is doing much better. She's not taking that pain medicine anymore. She just simply don't need it anymore. But we've got it if she ever does need it. And then again, just like before, she's wearing me out. I can't keep up with her again. She's doing really good. I mean, and the stress that was in her face when she was hurting so bad is gone. It is so good to see that beautiful smile come back. Y'all, my book is in the link down below. It's all about how to make money. I've got 3 new books that's come out in the past 3 months. I'm working on another one that will be out next month. But the latest book is geared towards women. What online careers is best suited for women? Y'all be sure and check that out. I've also got 2 other new books down there. I also still got some stun guns and some pepper spray and some tactical knives are left. I believe when I run out of them this time, I'm going to quit selling those and just focus on my books and my course. I hadn't made up my mind on that yet. I'm thinking about it. Y'all, the course is doing really good. Right now, I just got to make a few more videos for it, and I'm going to do probably 2 of those today. As you know, that course comes out on October the 1st. I've already got like 10 people in that class, and y'all don't miss out on this. Other people sell courses like this for about $1,000, and which is so ridiculous to ask that much for a course, and it's also ridiculous to spend that much on a course, but people does it every day. My course is just $35, and the freebies that I give along with the course, the freebies are worth more than $35. So it's a win-win situation. Y'all please check it out. As you know, I am closing my other YouTube channel. I am closing that because it's just not growing fast enough. And now I'm starting to put those videos on this channel. So all of my videos will be on this channel. This is the only channel you'll have to go to. I hadn't closed that channel yet, but I'm going to in the next few days. And at 9 a.m. is when the money videos will be on this channel. Y'all be sure and watch those and help me out on those. As you know, YouTube does not promote those out, so you just have to go see them. Because that's normally not what we talk about on this channel. But once all this COVID stuff is over, that's all this channel is going to be about. So y'all be sure and check that out. Y'all, I will make another video today if something happens today. If not, I will see you tomorrow. But be sure and check out that video at 9 a.m. Y'all just know I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And leave your questions. I mean, I will answer the ones that I can, but there's so many of them. Please understand that I can't, but I do value every one of them. I love you all. Please keep on praying for my wife. And until the next time, I love you all. Ciao.